What's up, everybody? Welcome to the first installment of Dan Can. We've got a Suburban SF-42Q that stopped blowing heat. Been troubleshooting it. Turns out it was the circuit board, modulation board. After checking all the other components, it's my meter on DC. Actually, we want to go to ohms. And we've got an ohm reading of about 0.6, 0.7. So I knew the over limit switch was good. Another component that goes bad is this sail switch. When the fan kicks on, the airflow causes this little flag to raise and complete the circuit, but it has passed the ohm test as well. So I rigged up this little inverter. Go from 120 volts, bumps it down to 12 volts because this is a 12 volt system. And then I hooked up my propane tank here. I'll turn it on. Nice and slow. You always want to check your propane fittings so you don't have any explosions going on. No bubbles. No bubbles. Okay. So we got propane running. We've got 12 volt power running. And after replacing the module board, let's see. Put this here. You got your thermostat wires. This one goes to the module board, and this one comes from the power supply on the module board. You connect the two. Normally the thermostat in the bus sends power and makes a call for heat. So we'll connect these two. Fan looks good, fan's blowing. And you heard the igniter solenoid sent the spark to the electrode. You can see in there, the electrode's lit up. And this is your combustion chamber. So the propane ignition is going on here, and it fills this whole chamber with heat. The blower blows air over this, and your ducts are in the bus sending heat. The motor spins here and powers the blower motor and the exhaust and intake through your combustion chamber. So you got hot combustion coming out here, and you got cool air going into the combustion chamber. So the fan, motors is all working good. The sail switch, as you can see, is flipped up, making that connection. That turned out to be good. You've got a little valve switch here. It's kind of a safety mechanism, but that had continuity. And your over limit switch. If this gets too hot, this little switch will pop out and break the connection, open the circuit, and that will come back over here to the module board and tell it to shut down. Everything is checking out except for this thing, of course, the most expensive part. Got it on Amazon for $100. Popped it in. We got heat.